Okay, so guys, in this video we are going to talk about what to do if Epic Games Launcher is not working on your PC. So basically guys, if you're opening Epic Games Launcher and it is causing some issues, what you can do is you can just open Task Manager. By opening Task Manager, you'll see Epic Games Launcher here if you are trying to opening it. So as you guys can see, Epic Games Launcher is not showing on my Task Manager. It means it is totally closed right now. So if you see Epic Games Launcher here or any kind of application which is using Epic Games Launcher or anything like that, you just have to end this task, and then what you have to do is you have to open Epic Games Launcher again and it will open fine. But if it is still not opening right now, as you guys can see, it is opening, and if I go to Task Manager, then you will see the Epic Games Launcher here, Epic Games Launcher.exe. We have to end this task so that the Epic Games Launcher will be closed properly. So now Epic Games Launcher is closed. I don't see it on my taskbar. What I have to do is go to search, then I'll go to apps, guys. I'll go to settings, and also Epic Games Launcher is not showing on my taskbar. What I can do is I can just right click on Epic Games Launcher, then I'll open the file location. When I open the file location, I'll see all the files related to Epic Games Launcher. I'll just click on properties here. Then after going to properties, I'll go to compatibility and I will run this program as an administrator so that this program can be run as administrator, and if it is causing any kind of issues, it will not cause now. So it will open by now, but if it is still not opening, go to remove programs and we have to remove Epic Games Launcher from our PC. Keep in mind guys that you have to install Epic Games Launcher again and you just have to log in again. So keep your ID in place. So I'll just uninstall it. Click on yes, and now Epic Games Launcher will be uninstalled from my PC. You don't have to uninstall the Epic online services. We just have to uninstall the launcher and then reinstall the launcher. So while it is uninstalling, we will go to Google, search Epic Games Launcher here, and I will just download the latest Epic Games Launcher by clicking on the download button. When I click on download button, it will start downloading. I have already downloaded that. So what I will do is I will just wait for it to be uninstalled. Then what I will do is I'll just reinstall it. Click on yes to properly uninstall the launcher, and now the application is uninstalled. I will click on Epic Installer and I will install it again. So click on install and it will install Epic Games Launcher on your PC again, and now it will work just fine guys. Let's download it. Click on yes to install it. Now the installation will be completed and you'll see the launcher. Click on yes to run the launcher, and now Epic Games Launcher will work on your PC. If you're causing any kind of other issues, feel free to comment down below. I'll try to fix it. And if you liked this video, do subscribe this channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.